The perfect plant for a small space. This is Weigela Velda, or Weigela Date Night Tuxedo. It has a dark foliage and has a tubular flower and has a wonderful fragrance. It also attracts hummingbirds. It prefers to be in full sun, 6 hours of light or greater. And this is a plant put out by Bailey's Nursery in Minnesota. I think it's a great plant, especially if you know Weigela. There's lots of different colors, but this one here has a really beautiful dark leaf. Again, this is Weigela Velda, or Weigela Date Night Tuxedo.